Why are you shouting, Nayansh?
Huh?
Why are you shouting?
Then,
Don't push me.
okay. Then you will not listen. I will push you and pull you. I pull you, keep push you.
Talk to me politely first.
No.
Then I will not talk to you.
Then I will call Mama Monster and Papa Monster and Chiku Monster. He will beat you and put in a jungle. And this lion and tiger will eat you. Then his tummy will go.
And then you will miss Mama Papa then? Then? From where you find Mama Papa? Then you will say, I'm missing Mama Papa. If monster will eat Mama Papa, then how you will get Mama Papa? Who will love you?
Papa.
Nobody will love you.
Then who will love me? Then I will push. No, no,
पापा बोले ना
no.
बोले ना